finished my vaccination. I request all citizens to come forward. This is the time when we all have to get together on this and make sure that we do the right thing, we do what needs to get done. Please, I appeal to citizens, go to the nearest vaccination center and get yourselves inoculated. Adang sudah one shimmick injection mentan. Mas ngau baka ni ketika kalong kabutangkam. Ngaru ngadon hi katu kat ni kijing keli ki babon shwa bangan rai bangan wan siya kani kejakaban shimmick vaccination. Tengah kentu ye pi lada pinget. Berlada pi ie shisha ye kari baka jajan pil. Kia mi patba kia la shimmick kani ketika. Nang ba kani kari kejungi anla menyada nakajingpur jong ni covid kat kendai.